This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, if we recap yesterday's session, wait, please.
Sir, is there anywhere like we can see the big screen? Can you? I could not able
No,
to
sir.
see the screen fully. Yeah.
Okay, you can have setup at this only. Okay, if we recap the last session, we started to work with the decentralized EWM. Okay, decentralized EWM means we use different servers. Okay, systems. One is for ERP, another one for EWM, and as well. And for that we require logical systems and RFC destinations. RFC stands for remote function calls. If we see here, above portion is the ERP system and below portion is the EWM system. This is the two-way communication. Please mute yourself. Some noise is coming. Okay, this is the two-way communication. For this, we maintain RFC destinations and etc. And some more examples are, say, one ERP can able to connect with multiple EWMs as well. This is also comes under the decentralized EWM. And coming to here, a single EWM system can able to connect to multiple ERPs as well. This is the example of decentralized. Now, today we see the embedded EWM. Other option, embedded EWM. Everything available in same box. Okay, but ERP portion that can execute by some users, EWM portion execute by some users. Even though the EWM is available within that embedded EWM, it is having separate properties only. Here also we require logical systems, RFC destinations, and etc. Okay, here also, even though EWM available in embedded environment, it is having separate properties as well. In separate properties, directly cannot mix with this. Okay, say here this one. Here also we have logical systems. Okay, RFC destinations and etc. I will show one infographic. Say here this image represents okay embedded environment. If we see here in this CPU symbol, a solid line is there, dotted line is there. Dotted line representing its part inbuilt of that. Okay, say here also we require logical systems, RFC destinations and etc. But coming to here, yesterday we have seen one thing, client and a logical system. Relation is 1 is to 1 only. Then how we can manage means, here one concept is there called main logical system, dummy logical system. This dummy logical system we cannot connect it to anything. Okay, but we manage some table entries and program if it's a modern versions and etc. Say here this is the ERP portion, this is the EWM portion. Here also we require the logical systems and RFC destinations. Okay, we are going to use client 800. And please note that first practice at least 2 months or 3 months in decentralized, then go for the S4HANA converted. One logic is there, say we don't know what is the project we will get after completing the sessions and etc. We should be able to work on both environments. Coming to projects wise, decentralized is having more projects, decentralized. Okay, say one company is there, they are using ERP some 20, 30 years back and etc. If they want to go for the rollout, EWM and etc. Okay, why they disturb all the ERP systems and etc. And these days, okay, market also not good. They cannot go for huge investments or IT departments if their activities are going well. In that case, what they can do, they go with a separate box and they incorporate EWM and connect it to these things. Okay, this is one case. Another case is one company is there, they are not using SAP yet. If they want to go with ERP, EWM and etc., then this SAP is selling embedded environment for them. Okay, this is happening in the market. Now coming to here, here we require this ERP available in main logical system. EWM dummy logical system. Dummy logical system. This main logical system only we assign to client. Okay, say here. And here also RSC destinations we require. This is one side, this is another side. This representing ERP to EWM, this representing okay EWM to ERP system. Okay, everything available in the same system, but how the users can control way to do not touch these things means authorizations. Okay, a ERP person user cannot get okay EWM authorizations, and EWM consultant cannot get any ERP authorizations. Even though we have some 10-20 years experience in other modules, no one can give any authorization. Okay, say here EWM means that is separate and that is
Sir, I have a
independent.
question, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, SRP, SAP ERP, and S4 HANA. S4 HANA is an upgraded version of the SAP ERP, right? Previously, we did not have
No, no,
EWM in part of
no.
ERP, but S4 HANA comes with an embedded EWM. So I'm a bit confused, why is that SAP ERP and S4 HANA we are linking?
Even though very simple, sir. Coming to one general example. Okay, one company is there. They have okay their ERP operations means sales people purchasing. They are at a city center office. Warehouse is at outside of the city. Their operations are different. These operations are different. Okay, say if I sit in central office and I cannot do any goods receipts and etc. until unless I physically verify it and etc. Okay, and I sit in warehouse and I cannot raise any purchase order, sales order kind of thing. That is the responsibility of ERP users. So wherever it lies, here box is same, but functionalities are different. Okay, but within that we need to connect it. Say for example, one customer purchase a embedded environment. Okay, yes for HANA embedded. They don't want EWM. Okay, some other person is there, they require the EWM. In the case, okay, they need to go for this things. And coming to here, yesterday we have seen one business function. What is that name, please? Business function. That is the transaction code. What is the
Log
business function name?
underscore integration underscore LE underscore
Log underscore
LE
LEM.
LE underscore
Integration.
integration.
integration. Perfect. Okay, the same business function here also required. We have purchased some EWM means this one embedded S4 HANA system means we cannot get any EWM. Okay, we should have to pay to the SAP and activate this business function. Okay, just like our setup box. If we purchase setup box, we will get minimum channels. If I want to go for sports or entertainment, we need to pay additional and activate the these functionalities. Okay, so pardon? Same transaction codes are same, and coming to here, I will show one example. What is the difference? Okay, between embedded and EWM. How many differences are there and etc. Just I will show with a single this one. Wait, please. In a single slide, we can see all these things. This one, that is PDF. Wait, please. Some more. I think I'll have one thing, please. Say, assume that this is the warehouse layout. This is the warehouse layout. Here, one dotted line is there, right? This is only the difference between decentralized and S4HANA embedded. Dotted line, some integration part. Say, once the product entered into the warehouse, all the processes are same in decentralized and S4HANA embedded. There is no difference at all. Okay, up to here, this integration part, assume that this is the integration part. This is only the difference, maximum 1% or 2%, maximum. Okay, say here, whenever receiving, put away, okay, picking, or else packing, unpacking, value added services, everything is same in both systems. Okay, say here. Now, coming to here, okay, we are going to one embedded environment. Here 800 client we are going to use. Wait. Okay, see here. Here also we have the easy access which is used by business users. Here also IMD setup and etc. There is no difference. And coming to here, 800 client system name is S4H. Client number is 800. If we come into our logical system naming conventions, okay, system name is S4H. Okay, CLNT 800. This is the main logical system. Okay, this is the main logical system. This one. Now we see dummy logical system and system. Okay, which one is set up here? Now coming to here, the very first thing, business function activation. Even though that is embedded or else decentralized, whatever it may be, business function is mandatory. Now go to here, transaction code SFW5. Okay, say here this one. Go to SFW5. Say here the same thing carefully, only reversible business functions can be deactivated. Go to continue. Say here S4H always functions. One is the business function. Go to here, scroll down. Say here from here it is starting with alphabetical order L series. LOG underscore LE underscore integration. Here also that is required. Here also that is required. Now coming to here in the S4HANA embedded system, if we open the logistics, here one node is there. You can see normal materials management and extended warehouse management. Sales and distribution is there, extended warehouse management is there. Like everything is available in the same system. Okay, and we control the user through authorizations, separate authorization sets providing by SAP. Say for example, purchasing guy, guy, the set of authorizations they will provide. Okay, and EWM set of authorizations they can give like kind of things. Okay, now go to here. Here also implementation guide is there. Okay, SPRO implementation guide. Say here. If we see here, SEM extended warehouse management here also there. And if we go to integration with other SAP components, go to integration with other SAP components. Here, say if we want to connect, all these are the additional packages only. Okay, say for example, APO module is there, and say for example, any cloud is there, Ariba is there, like kind of things. Come to here, extended warehouse management. Go to here, basic settings for setting up the system landscape. Come to here, name logical system. Say here S4H CLNT 800 is the this one. Here dummy logical system name is they have given EWM CLNT 800 dummy logical system. Okay, say here this is the main logical system, this is the dummy logical system, but we have restriction. Logical system to client. One is to one only. But here two logical systems we can see. One is main and one is the dummy. Okay, we assign client to main logical system only. For dummy logical system, we cannot assign any client. It's not possible as well. Okay, now go to here. Assign logical system to a client. Come to here. 800 client. If we see here 800 client. If you go to 800 client, okay, it is assigned with S4H CLNT 800. S4H CLNT 800. Main logical system only that is connected. Now coming to here RFC destination. Say for example, okay, if we are working in ERP, our destination is okay EWM environment. If we are working in EWM, the data's destination is ERP system. Okay, so RFC destinations. RFC stands for remote function calls. Okay, to and fro is required for us. Please present some noise. Okay, some noise is coming, sir. Anyway, debate we will debate any doubts and etc. Last. Now go to here. RFC destinations. To and fro is required. To and fro is required, not a one-way direction. Okay, stay here. Now go to the system. Set up RFC destination here. Both are in same system SAP only we are using. Now coming to here, go to ABAP connections. Okay, say here, assume that we are into ERP. In that case, what is our target? EWM. If we see this one, EWM, double click on it. Say here some technical settings are there and IP addresses and etc. Coming to login and security, this is current user. But yesterday's example, okay, yesterday's example to receive the data, we maintain vice versa user IDs. But coming to the S4HANA embedded, we go with the current user. Current user means there is no separate user ID. Say for example, XYZ is the user. He is doing some okay transactions and etc. With his name only that can be recorded. With his user ID only that can be recorded. Who is passed and etc. In between the system environments. But coming to the decentralized one, at ERP level we maintain EWM user ID. EWM level we maintained ERP user ID. So that is taking care of the data receiving and etc. kind of things. We can see like here current user. And here also we require the correction test. Say here, please remember some big noise is coming. Okay, say here also some connection test and etc. We should have to ensure if any errors are there, any errors, red color lines we can see, red color lines. These are the errors. Okay, different. Say sometimes they forgotten to tick that current user, or else sometimes they forgotten to give proper IP addresses, proper host ID. These kind of things we can see. Okay, say here. Now the same thing. Okay, only one thing, but for our satisfaction, the same setup we can see under SCM extended warehouse management as well. Go to SCM extended warehouse management, SCM basis, integration, basic settings for creating the system landscape, name logical system. The same setup. Say here, S4H CLNT 800 is there, EWM CLNT 800 is there. One main and one dummy logical system. Now, assign logical system to a client. The same thing which we have seen. Okay, 800 client only. Okay, this one 800 client we have. Now, say here setup RFC destination. Now assume that we are into EWM. Our target is ERP. Go to here, you can check S4HCL. Go to here, say here where the target shows. Same, both are same. Okay, why? Because the entire system is placed in this host and this IP address only. Same instance as well. Say here current user. Okay, say here connection test and etc. Okay. Say here, this is the setup, initial setup in embedded. Now coming to here, one concept is there called business system group. Business system group. Business means here transactions. Okay, say here this business system group at EWM environment. At EWM environment, we maintain this business system group BSG. This BSG representing the systems, representing the system, very high level. System means say either it's a ERP, SAP ERP. At this point of time, I'm giving. Okay, some other significances are there. Very soon we can see. Okay, and non-SAP ERPs. How many systems are there within that? This one environment. Okay, can be identified through BSC, business system group. Okay, at least one business system group is required. Say coming to here, this is the setup. This is the setup. Okay, we should have to ensure one business system and assign for both this one. Okay, assign for both this one. That is going to be useful during the some ARC structures and master data references as well. Okay, one business system group. Now go to here. Okay, say here SCM extended warehouse management, SCM basis integration, maintain business system group. Say here one is there with the name BSG and assign logical systems and Q type. This Q type ignore at this point of time. Go to here, say here, this business system group we have assigned for two logical systems. See here, one is a dummy, another one is main. And beside that, SAP indicator is there. Say our EWM capable to connect with the SAP ERP and other than SAP ERP means non-SAP ERPs as well. Okay, say for example, each ERP BSG representing systems, either SAP ERP or non-SAP ERP. Say here for SAP ERPs, we can see this checkbox. For non-SAP ERPs, we cannot have any checkboxes for this. The same setup available in decentralized as well. Okay, in embedded, we have one system with us. That's why we maintain the business system group. In coming sessions, this business system group refers the plant and the shipping points, okay, product masters kind of things we can see. At this point of time, okay, significance of business system group, it represents the high level ERP systems. Either that ERP is a SAP ERP or non-SAP ERP. Okay, at least one BSG is required. Say for example, embedded only one is enough. Okay, now going to decentralized one, the same to discuss this. Okay, I am logging off from this one. Okay, HANA embedded. I am going to EWM. Go to here. This is available in EWM only, not in the ERP business system groups. Okay, we are going with 110 client N75 CLT 110 IMG setup. Okay, extended warehouse, SEM extended warehouse basis. Okay, management, SEM basis. Okay, integration. This one, basic settings for creating a system landscape. Okay, go to here, maintain business system group and assign here. Only one. In our case, we are using in this training server like this one. Say here, if assign logical system under Q type, here we have assigned with SAP indicator. Now coming to on this. Say in this case, say this is 1:1 relation. One business system group is enough. But coming to here, four business system groups are required. One is for each ERPs, 1113 for this one as well. For this one as well. Say for example, ERP1, ERP2, ERP3. Now I am showing one thing, just see and tell. say here some alignment is there. Okay, no problem. Come to here. Assume that this is the SAP indicator. Okay, I have assigned to one EWM project. Once I open this setup, I observed this is the setup. Then what is this meaning? Come on, please.
Dummy client.
No, no, not that.
No.
No,
Not
dummy.
SAP.
So one is ERP
One
and
is
another is
and one is
multiple ERP systems.
Now I can say that, okay, here this representing our EWM system. This EWM system is connected to one, two, three ERP systems. Out of those, two are SAP, one is non-SAP. This is the meaning. Why here SAP indicator is not logical system. This SAP indicator for not there in logical systems. Okay, that is the meaning. Once again, I will tell. If we see this image, one business system group we have assigned. Sorry, here. One thing. Sorry. I will come again. I am giving this one. This is the meaning. Say here, four business system groups are there. One is individually using for this one. One is individually using for EWM client. Another three are different ERPs. Okay, out of those, two are SAP, one is non-SAP. Okay, say this representing this one. Assume that the third portion is non-SAP ERP. Okay, say here BSG system, business system group, representing the systems. How many systems are connected, and out of those, how many are the SAP ERPs, how many are the non-SAP ERPs. Okay, and coming to embedded again, we are not assigning any clients for dummy logical system. Then how the system can send the data and etc. In okay, internally how identify and etc. One concept is there called BD97 settings. We need to ensure that. Go to embedded. BD97 settings. Go to here. If we see here, assign RFC destinations or some synchronous method calls or something in there. This is the main logical system that is calling EWM, okay, CLNT 800 dummy logical system for RFC destinations. Say one is for BAPI calls, another one is dialog call. This is the correct one. Say here ERP, this is the representing main logical system representing ERP that is connected to dummy logical system means EWM. Within that EWM, that is going to be called the BAPI calls or dialog calls. Okay, and we should have to ensure in this way. And going to other setup, table entries. One table is there, TBL system destination, sysdest, TBL table system destination. In this table, we should have to ensure both logical systems. Okay, for tables and etc. to see transaction code is SE11. Go to, this is exclusively for embedded. We should have to ensure these things. SE11 TBL system destination. Go to here, display, execute it, say here. S4H CLNT 800 is there, EWM CLNT 800 is there. Okay, this we should have to ensure. And actually, S4 HANA versions, different versions we can see, either decentralized or etc. We are going to use decentralized 9.5 version, 9.5 version for HANA 2021. Here now 2022 is going on. Very soon it is coming 2023 as well. Okay, now come to here. Up to 2021, we need to run one program to set up S4 HANA embedded. That program name I will show. To check the program, no need to by heart, nothing, sir. Just go through theoretically. SC38. This is not our job. Okay, basis consultant will do it. Go to SC38. R underscore some ERP. One thing is there, one thing, sir. One thing I have done. This one. Slash SEWM, okay, slash R underscore ERP underscore, okay, RFC underscore destination. This we need to ensure up to 2021 version. Later, it's not okay required. Automatically BD97 settings it is taken. Say here. We are into the okay. If we see this program name is SCWM. SEC stands for supply chain warehouse management. All the transactions, tables, and etc. 95% start with SCW. 99%. 1% some high level client is there. That is another this one we will check it. Say here this thing. Now come to here. Okay, what is the main logical system? S4H CLNT 800. Okay, no changes made. Everything is available here. Okay, we should have to run this program. Okay, before versions, old versions, but latest it's not possible. Okay, already there. Okay, say here this is about the embedded environment. Okay, I am going to this one what provide a server person name. Please get the servers from here. Okay, yesterday we ship several people books as well. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, within India, maximum 3 days it will take. Okay, this one and tomorrow theoretically we discuss about the inventory management and warehouse management. Why warehouse management is required? What kind of org structures we see to connect with the EWM environment and etc. We will check it. Any doubts regarding today's session?
So this centralized and decentralized, this activity will be done as a one part of
Basis.
the initial by the base system, and this is a one-time activity, right, sir?
One time activity only, yeah.
So when we are doing it in our test systems, we will be configuring this ourselves, right, sir?
No one can get authorizations. Everything is there in the system. For critical purpose, we should know. That's why high level architecture. That's why we discuss it.
I mean, whatever you have shown in this session, all these settings will be available in the real-time companies.
Yes,
So
yeah,
basis
exactly.
persons will,
Correct. Basis person will all do these things.
including that SPRO settings, sir. Those
Yeah,
things.
yesterday's and today's session, okay, will be done by the basis consultant only. only, yesterday's and today.
Yes, sir. In real time, it will be take care by basis to people. But once get the access, server access, we have to do this configuration for
We are
executing the transactions.
we are the basis consultant. We did all readily available.
Okay.
In
Thank you, sir.
the books, the detailed steps is mentioned, right, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Well structured. Okay, in that book. Okay, that is actually configuration and process to practice guide. Okay, and how we framed it is what are the configurations are required for any process, what are the master data are required, what is the process along with the screens and that.
Sir, in logic systems like
So
main
that
logic and dummy, you told like you will be sending dummy logic system to the client. So can you just explain about this, like why you have to send only dummy and not main?
We can do one thing, sir. Okay, please go through the today's video. Okay, still you have any doubts, tomorrow we will debate it. Okay.
Sure. Okay.
So one
Okay.
question, sir. So just the
Yeah.
way you have grouped, right, SAP and non-SAP systems in the business system grouping, right?
Correct.
Will there be any scenario where we have to link the another BW system, or the
Okay.
EWM system? Sorry,
Another ERP system, right?
another
One
EWM system.
another EWM system means that is individual EWMs, right? No need to question of this thing. You are talking about this one, sir.
EWM to
Ye-
EWM, like multiple EWMs. Yep, yep.
This is
Will
the
there?
this thing. Okay. If you see here we don't have any connectivity.
Correct,
This connectivity we have.
correct. With the ERP. But will there be a scenario, or will there be a real time real time requirement where we need to connect multiple EWM system? That was my question, sir.
Yeah, I never seen, sir, that
Okay,
EWM to EWM connectivity.
okay, okay.
I mean, there is a
Possible, but I
synchronization
never.
between
Yeah, possible, but
all.
I did not. Okay. Yeah, sir.
I mean,
so at the
in
end
this,
you have maintained that destination in that program. So you have maintained the ERP logical plan. So destination should be the EWM plan, right?
Correct. Exactly. Exactly. No, not only that one. Say, for example, I have two EWM boxes. One is in US region, another one is Europe region. It is possible to connect maybe some internal purpose and etc. System cannot restrict it. But I did not see that business case yet. Okay.
sir, in tomorrow's topic, you said the physical inventory you are going to start, right?
No, 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 not physical inventory. Inventory management, warehouse management differences.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
one more question, sir. How many dummy logical system can set up in EWM? I don't know.
Only one.
One.
Only one. Oh.
Sir, excuse me,
Thank.
sir. Can you please add into the folder, sir?
Yeah, please ping in WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah, I already pinged from 2 days, sir.
I think okay. Okay, again, please ping there. I will check.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you.
Just now I pinged it, sir. 10 minutes back when class
Yeah,
started.
yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Sir, why